paranormal activity caught on camera. So ever since I moved into this house, there's like a knocking, and so sometimes it'll come like a repetition of like 1 2 3 gap 1 2 3, and then like 1 2 gap 1 2. So we've done some like seance work, and we'll be able to get some confirmation that it's two separate spirits. So literally, I'm sitting here ready, waiting on people coming, and I was able finally to catch it on camera. But this time it was like knock 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 loads. So anyway, I'm going to stitch into the next part of this video where you'll get to actually hear what we get to hear. But this is probably the most activity, and we've been asking and asking and asking. So anyway, here goes.